What if you always took something better home with you? Like better news for the people who will help you celebrate it? Or an extra boost for the ones who keep you going day after day? What about those crucial last-minute snacks? For the times that bring us closer together. Or a fuel that quietly protects your engine so you can keep on protecting what matters to you. For those little rewards that make the good moments greater and the feeling of finally returning home. Whoever you're driving for, we are here to help you go well.